हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सिविल इंजीनियरिंग नोट्स चेंजिंग द वे ऑफ लर्निंग। स्वागत है आप सबका। अब हम बात करने जा रहे हैं सिविल इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट कंक्रीट टेक्नोलॉजी का पार्ट 8 लेके। यहाँ पे मैं डिस्कस करूँगा कंक्रीट टेक्नोलॉजी का कुछ थ्योरी पार्ट। प्रोडक्शन ऑफ कंक्रीट। प्रोडक्शन ऑफ कंक्रीट। The production of concrete of uniform quality involves the following stages: batching or measurement of material, batching or measurement of materials, the process of proper and accurate measurement of all concrete materials for uniformity of proportions and aggregate grading is called batching. The importance of batching is to obtain strength, workability, durability, and economy. For most of the large and important jobs, the batching of material is done by weighting. The weight batching is done by spring dial scale, platform weighting machine, or portable weight batches. Batchings are two kinds. এক number one, weight batching. Weight batching and number two, volume batching. Volume batching. Volume batching is more accurate than weight batching. Volume batching is more accurate than weight batching. The weighting machine would be labeled before placing the material, and the bucket in which the material is to be weighted would be cleaned thoroughly. The chart would be prepared indicating the weight of each material used for different strengths of concrete. For most of the small jobs, volume batching is adopted. Volume batching is adopted. For most of the small jobs, volume batching is adopted. वॉल्यूम बैचिंग को एडॉप्ट करा जाता। The volume of one bag of cement is taken as 35 liters. The volume of one bag cement is taken as 35 liters. One bag cement equal to 35 liter. 35 liter. The wooden gauge boxes are used for measuring the fine and coarse aggregate. For measuring 50 liters of aggregate, the inner dimension of the थर्मा मतलब wooden gauge box would be 31 semi into 31 semi into 52 semi. The batching volume for some of the common used mixtures are given in the following table. यहाँ पे एक टेबल दिया हुआ देख लीजिए M10 ग्रेड M10 इसका सीमेंट सैंड एग्रीगेट दिया हुआ 50 kg फाइन एग्रीगेट इन लीटर 105 लीटर कोर्स एग्रीगेट इन लीटर 210। ये चार्ट आप लोग देख लीजिए। नंबर 2 मिक्सिंग। The thorough mixing of the material is essential for the production of uniform concrete. The concrete mixing is normally done by mechanical means called mixer, but sometimes the mixing of concrete is done by hand. The machine mixing is more efficient and economical as compared to hand mixing. Machine mixing is more efficient and economical as compared to hand mixing. The mixtures are classified as follows: tilting type mixture, non-tilting mixtures, reversing mixtures, etc. के बाद नंबर 3 देखिए ट्रांसपोर्टिंग। नंबर 1 पे था क्या बैचिंग और मेजरमेंट ऑफ मटेरियल, मिक्सिंग ऑफ मटेरियल को मेजर करना, मटेरियल को मिक्सिंग करना। के बाद नंबर 3 ट्रांसपोर्टिंग, मिक्सिंग मटेरियल को ट्रांसपोर्ट कैसे करेगा, कैसे काम पे लगाएगा। The concrete can be transported by a variety of methods and equipment. For small jobs, the concrete is transported in iron pans, wheels barrows, or two wheels carts by manual labor. For large and massive works, the concrete is transported by buckets or by pumps, which are operated mechanically. The concrete is transported by pumps for concreting of tunnel lining. The concrete can be lifted by pumps through a maximum vertical distance of 50 meters. In transportation of concrete by pumps, the water-cement ratio would remain between 0.5 to 0.65. The slumps would not be less than 50 mm and more than 80 mm. The number of bends in a pipeline should be as small as possible. उसके बाद देखिए नंबर 4 प्लेसिंग। It is very important that the concrete must be placed in position in a proper manner as early as possible within the initial setting time of cement. The following precautions be taken while placing the concrete. The concrete should not be thrown from a height of more than 1 meter to prevent segregation. The placement of concrete should be discontinued during rainy periods. The placing of concrete should start with poise in reinforced cement concrete slabs from one end. उसके बाद नंबर 5 देखिए कॉम्पैक्शन। कंक्रीट को प्लेसिंग करने के बाद कॉम्पैक्शन करना जरूरत पड़ता। इट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ कंसोलिडेटिंग। Compaction is the process of consolidating concrete mix after placing it in position. The main aim of consolidation of concrete is to eliminate air bubbles and thus to give maximum density of concrete. The proper consolidation ensures intimate contact between the concrete and the surface of reinforcement. The compaction of concrete may be carried out either manually or tempering and padding rod. The concrete is compacted. The concrete is compacted mechanically by jets of compressed air or by vibrators. The various types of vibrators are used: internal or immersion or needle vibrator, surface or screed vibrator, form or shutter or external vibrator, cable vibrator। के बाद नंबर 6 देखिए फिनिशिंग। The finishing of concrete surfaces is an important process from the engineering points of view. The results of finishing are good if clamp is about 50 mm. The finishing may be achieved by the following operation: feeding. It is leveling operation that removes humps and hollows and give a true and uniform concrete surface. Plotting. It is the process of removing the irregularities from the surface of concrete left after spreading. Soiling. Soiling. It is final operation of finishing the concrete surface. It is performed where Smooth and dense surface is required. उसके बाद curing. Curing is very important. Curing. Curing is very important. It is the process of hardening the concrete mixture by keeping its surface moist for a certain period in order to enable the concrete to gain more strength. The object of curing is to prevent the loss of water by evaporation, to reduce the shrinkage of concrete, and to preserve the properties of concrete. The concrete gains strength up to 100% after the curing of 28 days. The proper curing of cement concrete is good for its volume, stability, strength and wear resistance. उसके बाद देखिए स्ट्रिपिंग ऑफ फॉर्म्स. Stripping of forms. To removal of forms after the concrete has set. To removal of forms after the concrete has set is termed as stripped of forms. The period up to which the forms must be left in place before they are stripped is called stripping time. Under normal circumstances, the vertical sides of columns may be stripped after 1 to 2 days, and the beam soffits may be removed after 2 days. So guys, it is much for today. अगर आप हमारा चैनल पे नया है तो चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू.